So at Asyad, we have a number of initiatives that we have embarked through our journey of sustainability of Asyad, mainly focusing on the E and S and G. In the environment, we focus heavily on the decarbonization of our assets and our operations. We also focus on how to, we have a clear roadmap to our net zero plan in 2050. We're focusing on how we can sustain that and intensify the operation that make it greener logistics. And then the social, of course, social community is more important, but it also we are thriving to make Asyad's workplace as thriving as possible and happy for the employees. And of course, a lot of governance initiatives that we are doing in the G part, but these are the milestones, these are the initiatives. We are elaborated into having them as a KPI. Most of our business units have a clear KPI every year that help them to achieve this sustainability journey. And every year at Oman Sustainability Week, we show our milestones, initiatives, or our achievements. Where with this year or last year, we have showed what exactly we are doing in the greener logistics. That's helping with many partners, either governmental or private. We also launched our forward-looking report, the Sustainability Impact Report, where we not only looking backwards what we have done in the past years, but we're looking forward, where exactly we're going and what exactly our target in 5 years up to 2050. We are exploring a lot of innovative areas that we're working for that help us to drive our sustainability journey or greener logistic in the future. For example, greener mobility, where we have a lot of initiatives we're working on, and the cleaner fuel for the future. So we have done a detailed study on how we can make our logistics greener, either by providing the cleaner fuel available now in the market, locally or globally, or we are looking for how we can make our transportation greener through adopting hydrogen as a fuel for the future with all the derivatives, or having in the cleaner transportation, road transportation through cleaner vehicles movement or bus movement or even heavy truck movement that can help us to make Oman greener and also make it as a green logistics. Well, many innovative ideas are working on, but these are in a nutshell the main driver for our greener transportation. Asyad was focusing on being the leader in this area, not only in the logistic part, but in Oman in general, maybe regionally as well. Where we are starting calculating and collecting our data for emissions long time ago, 2018, where everyone still not talking about it. We are now in the areas of having a clear KPI on how we reduce our emissions that drive us all the way to a net zero in 2050. We also focusing on innovative ideas using AI for scope 3 calculation, which is mainly one of the toughest one to calculate in terms of our vast operation and vast supply chain. And then he needed some of the innovative way like an AI that can help us in focusing more on the emissions and also reducing the key areas that we can enable to reduce. There are many challenges that we face into our journey of sustainability. One of them is the key funding. I think we are a logistic company where we have a thin margin. You need to maintain your project's capex that be in the minimum line where with your focus on the new initiatives. But these are challenges that we capture every day into our day-by-day operations, and then we try to tackle into them. But there is opportunities there. There's other companies or other partnerships that they willing help us to support in our journeys through a trial and error concept developments. And these are new initiatives that we help with partners around the world, not only locally in Oman, that help us to reduce our emissions or adopt our projects. And mainly for that, like say, and I give an example for that is the green transportation we're looking for, where we're looking for international partners where we can help us to deliver hydrogen vehicles, heavy trucks, or small vehicles, and also greener transportation. These all are partnership deals that we want to try and concept in Oman, and then that will help us to decarbonize our operations. In terms of the policies, we are working closely with Oman Net Zero Center to develop the future plans or the details, more milestone plan for the net zero journey that we embark through Oman as well. As being a transportation leader or a logistic leader, we play a very big role in the transportation sector in Oman, and we're helping them how to execute the smaller milestone, the shorter milestone, the 2030, 2040 and 2050 targets, that how we can help Oman to achieve this milestone through either different policies, different initiatives, or different through either incentives that we want to bring to the market, or through collaboration that can help us to achieve our greater goals. And these are some of the policies, or maybe with the policymakers, we're helping to achieve in order to meet the overall target of Oman.